Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And we're gonna talk about what can stop a bull run in Bitcoin or crypto. And that is dollar strength. Like we saw over here, we saw a bounce in the dollar, we saw a dump in the Nasdaq Top 100, and we saw a dump in the S&P 500. Closer look into it over here. Over here we saw the Bitcoin bull run of 2017. And that bull run ended when the dollar bounced. So there's a really strong correlation between that. Over here we see a Bitcoin bull run again. And that is when the dollar is going down. So take a look at the dollar. The dollar strength isn't that bad either. Right now we are below a couple of very important lines. Breaking below this one will be a big one for the dollar, making a lower low than in 2017. Right now, the week just started and we're on a weekly chart, but let's take a look into the 4 hour. And it's not even a bounce yet, I would call it. Still very much weak. Still haven't even tested that trend line. But if it breaks, we need to be a little bit cautious. The S&P corrected on that little bounce, had a strong correction, broke this trend line. We're all about trend lines in this YouTube channel. And yeah, that is kind of what happened. So yeah, you can draw a couple of lines over here, whatever you want to do. Anyway, that is what happened. This should be strong support. If they break this one, they make a lower low. Also, that is this high over here. So very important line, very important level for the S&P 500. What also happened? Well, you of course already seen it. We talked about it in last video, yesterday's video. We talked about the CME Gap. They're closed in the weekend and we filled that gap. Usually a gap in the CME chart always gets filled. We have a gap over here and we have a gap over here. We have some other few gaps. Maybe they won't get tested. But right now this one got filled. We still have a couple more to go. A lot of people short based on those CME gaps. I don't personally, but it wasn't a wrong thing to do so. Bitmex went lower than other exchanges, I believe. We'll take a look into that later. Funding has been reset. Funding was really high and premiums were also very high. Usually when funding is low and premiums are low as well, we long. If they are high, we short or stay flat. That is how I trade. Let me know what tips and tricks you guys use to validate or invalidate your trades. Right now we're on a daily time frame of Bitcoin and we're in a massive bull run, as you can see. Bull runs go fast, go parabolic in Bitcoin, and well, we all know that by now. So what did we actually do? We we tested some supports. Let's take a look. We tested this one. Did we test any others? Not really. We have a line over here, but that one is still far away. We're far above that right now. We are also above this level. We retested this level. Let's say 30K. And right now we are looking quite good. I would say let's take a look at the 5 minute. We're still looking good. We're consolidating still. And that is when altcoins take their chance. On a lower time frame, you could say we broke this one yesterday. That is when it all kicked off. We broke this one. I expected a break to the upside. I was wrong. Luckily, I was flat before the night. But it was a good retest. For now, I am long. I bought the dip on a smaller time frame. I would say this is a very important level. Otherwise, we go below 30K again. That's a level of around $30,500. Resistance right now is this level. also aligns with levels over here, I would say. That is level to break, $32,000. So we're between these lines. Let me remove everything. Let's zoom in a little bit more. I'm not sure. Let me know what time frames you guys are interested in, or what time frames you guys trade based upon, because I will adjust my videos to that. So these are the lines I would say matter right now. We're between these two lines, and whichever breaks first, that's the direction we will go up. If this one breaks, we go below 30k again. If this one breaks, we go to 32 again, and possibly the highs. Then we have lines like these to keep in mind. So that is it for now about Bitcoin. Fundings came down quite a lot, and that gives us room to move up again. Fundings, predicted fundings on Bitmex 0.01, Bybit 0.01, also here 0.01. Let's take a look at Ethereum. What happened over here? Well, at the top, Ethereum was up on the daily, like in 24 hours, over 45%. And that is when sell, get out. That is basically it. Like that is too much. That is too much. Let's take a look at it over here. Came close to all-time highs, still looking very strong compared to over here. We're still above this one, very important. Still above this one, very important. Target for now, this one, all-time highs, $1,400. Let's zoom in a little bit, and right now it is just consolidating, looking very strong, very good over here. It's actually not that bad. People might be scared a little, but that is just part of, a bull run. People buy the top, you shake them out till they sell, and then you make them buy again. So for now, it is all about making higher lows, and we're doing that. Staying above 888, and we're good. Staying above around 1,000, very good. And target would be $1,060. Going above here, we go to the yearly high, I would say. And after that, it's $1,400, the all-time high. So we break this level, we go here. It's as easy as that. Let me stop your put, over here to be safe, and take profit you do over here. You can put it a little bit higher, but as soon as you break this level, you long it till over here. Other way around, break this level, you short it till over here or over here. Ethereum BTC, we're on the 5-minute chart, and that is a little bit too low. We had massive moves. Ethereum BTC showed true strength. This level got broken, or this trend line got broken. Very good. Also, this trend line got broken. Very good. Also, it went so quick. This one. And this one. Target for Ethereum BTC right now. They're at an important place. Again, VPVR shows that as well. But for now, the target would be over here. Last year's high. I would say like same season's high, but like target would be over here. That's 0.04. If they break that, it's easily gonna go over here, 0.053. For now, you can long it. There's not really an invalidation point at the moment. I would say over here you can place a stop, long it till the yearly high. I would say 2020's high, and after that 0.05. And that is about it for today. Make sure, if you trade with some leverage, make sure you use one of these sign-up links. I saw somebody who had 45 BTC profit on his Bybit account. But of those 45 BTC, he paid 7 BTC in trading fees. And that is a lot. That all could have been profit, you know. If you trade with my Bybit Revlink, you know, you get 20% discounts on your trading fees. So make sure you use one of those discount links because you just pay fees and it takes your profit, it eats your profit. So guys, make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to know from me. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe also. Happy trading.